What's up, guys? I'm here in my hotel room at the airport outside of Stockholm, Sweden. And yeah, I got here maybe an hour and a half ago. And yeah, I've just been chilling. And yeah, right now it's 9:47 p.m. So I'm just gonna chill, watch some TV, and then get ready for bed. And then I'm gonna get up at like 7 tomorrow. Gonna eat some hotel breakfast, and then my flight's leaving at 9:50 in the morning. So I'm gonna arrive in Dresden at about 2:50 p.m. There's one layover in Frankfurt, and then I'm flying to Dresden. And then my showcase is at 6 p.m. So yeah, I'm gonna have about 3 hours to get picked up and go to the venue, you know, check out the place, sound check, set up my drums, sound check, and then I do the show. And yeah, guys, I'm a little bit nervous, but I'm so excited about this as well. So yeah, I'm gonna try to document a little bit, both with my GoPro, which I'm filming with right now, and then of course with my phone. So I'm gonna switch it up a little bit, but yeah, I hope you enjoy this video of me documenting my trip to Dresden and the drum show. So yeah, guys, take care. I'll see you soon. Morning, guys. I just woke up. It's 6:50 in the morning, so it's definitely light outside, but I'm super tired still. I don't know why. I got a good night's sleep, but I'm pretty tired. I probably woke up a few times, you know, during my sleep, just because, you know, I have a flight to catch and I'm a little bit nervous of playing, so I guess that's pretty normal, right? But yeah, I gotta head down, gonna eat some breakfast. Yeah, so let's get this fucking day started, right? Alright, guys, I just arrived here in Dresden and I'm at the venue. I can see out the window, I see one of the signs that says downtown. That's one of the stages. But yeah, right now I'm in the dressing room, basically. It's like a chill area, like a green room. We're not sleeping here or anything, but we can put our bags here and chill, you know, between sets, and if we want to warm up in here. But yeah, I'm a bit nervous still, but the nerves are settling down. I'm just super excited to be here and to play this showcase for you guys. And yeah, hopefully I get to film everything. I'm super thankful for Sonor Drums and Paiste Cymbals for supplying me with the best gear imaginable. And I'm really excited to see what I'm gonna play on. But yeah, I'm gonna show you around a little bit, check out all the venues, and say hello to all the other drummers and musicians that are here. So yeah, follow me around. Feeling good, Chris?
So today Stefan's not gonna play drums, he's gonna play pool.
Yes. And football.
And football.
Yeah. It's my mission of the day. Finding someone to beat.
What's up, everyone? It's the day after my drum clinic or workshop, and now I'm just taking a little stroll through a big park. I think it's called the Alaun Park in German, here in Dresden. And yeah, it's a sunny, nice autumn day. And yeah, I can tell you right now, my workshop went great. I had so much fun. The crowd was amazing. But my GoPro did not start recording. But yeah, this festival has been awesome. Huge thanks to Richard or Ricard and Matthias and everyone in the crew for setting this up. It was an awesome festival. Huge thanks to everyone who came out and saw me and saw all the other amazing musicians there. But yeah, I had a blast, and I couldn't have had a better festival experience.